Happy Halloween! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I'm a makeup artist and book lover, and I am gonna let TikTok choose my Halloween makeup for today. So if you're not aware, which I don't know how you could not be aware, TikTok has these filters where they do different sort of makeup looks, and I think the ones I'm doing today are the eye, the freckle, the lips, and the liner, eyeshadow liner, you know, those four. I don't know how well this is gonna go. I'm going to obviously film part of it on my camera, but I am super excited. I love doing these types of videos because it's like so creative, you know? The only makeup I have on right now is my base makeup, no bronzer, blush, highlight, none of that, and then just my brows, so we're ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screen record on here, and then I will share what comes out of it. Okay, so first up is going to be the eyeshadow. So let's see what this chooses. Ooh, okay, this is a candy corn. Yeah, I think the blend palette is going to work the best for this because it has pretty much everything I need. The orange, the yellow, the white. So I'm going to prime with my Anastasia eye primer, my go-to one. Love this stuff. Alright, so it kind of looks like starting with like an orange, a deeper orangey red to an orange. So let me see if I can mimic that. I think I'm gonna make it like the full lid because it looks like it's just like a sort of liner shape. I'm gonna do like the full lid though. So I'm gonna start with just a blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Barley. Maybe not that brush, going with a brush like this. Start with Barley, packing this low, right in there. There's nothing on the lower lash line, so I think that will be a creative freedom there. Now this could turn out to be like an absolute mess because you could get like a bunch of things that don't match. That's kind of the fun in it. Okay, so that's down. Let's move on to the more yellow. So I'm going to go into Serendipity here, and it's just a nice little blending brush, and I'm going to start just blending that right next to that orange. I'm going to wing it out a little bit. I'm not too worried about it shape wise yet. So far, don't hate that. I'm gonna build up Barley a little bit more, blend that up a little bit more also towards my brow, and then go back in with Serendipity and bring that a little further up also. Now I'm looking at, I don't think that there was too much like white on there, so I'm going to stick with this, and then I'm going to put white on my brow bone. Going in with a smaller brush, I'm going to go into the Cream and Sugar shade here. Not my go-to brush for this, but it'll work. That right on the brow bone. I'm going to do it a little bit on the inner corner. Before I go in with my bottom lash line, I'm going to see what the liner they want me to do is. Hopefully this is something good. It's easy. It's bat wings. Easy. I struggle with bat wings so much. It's insane. So it's an inner corner moment, little triangle, and then bat wings. Okay, I'm going to use this Medusa's Makeup Witchy liner, and I don't know how well I can do this. It's always been funny, the bat wings just throw me off so much. I can never do it right, but it's like, whoop, whoop. There is a little bit of a line here. This is not the best liner to do this with. I have to switch liners. There we go. Wet n Wild Breakup Proof. Forgot I had this one, so I'm gonna make the triangle and then curve it. Feels like all my eyeliners are going bad. That's great. Why do liners have to mess with me? I don't even think these are gonna be even, and it would be fine if my liners were decent. So let me find a third liner. This is my Urban Decay one, which I'm pretty sure this one's running out of ink too, but maybe it'll save the day. I have never had eyeliner give me this much trouble before. It is beyond frustrating. Right, this one seems to be working. This is Makeup Revolution and Clueless, or Revolution Makeup, whatever the iteration is for that. Honestly, I kind of hate it, but it is what it is. Now to do the inner corner. And that was the easiest part to do, surprisingly. 4 liners that took. And I don't love it. I'm going to try to salvage this look by doing my lower lash line. So I'm going to go back in with Barley and that small brush. I'm going to place this right in here. I'm gonna go in with Serendipity and do the same thing. I really should have done this before the liner. Oh well. Next is the face details. I'm worried about this one. Okay. Clown. Clown will turn this around. Yes. Only if my liner works out. So, we have triangle points just down the center. I freaking love clown looks. So, where do I want this to go? Oh, you know what? Before I do this, I should probably do the rest of my face makeup. It's just this and then lips. For contour, I'm going to go in with the Creature Cosmetics Carve Your Face, go into the shade Trick or Treat, and just add this to my cheeks. Just for a light contour. A little harsh, but that'll do. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Likely Makeup Clown Blush, and we're going to mix the yellow and orange. Mainly put down the yellow first, because I love a yellow blush. It's just so pretty. And go in with the orange a little bit higher up and back, and do a mix on my nose. I think I'll go in with the Unearthly Cosmetics. This one is Spellbinding. Take a little bit of that. Yeah, it's like a pinky. It goes with it. Whatever. I love these highlighters. They are so nice, and I'm so eternally grateful that Unearthly sent me a PR package. Still like flabbergasted with that. Face is done. Let's attempt the clown. See, the points go kind of here and there. Make these a little bit bigger. And directly above, dot and dot. Not exactly even with that, but it works for my face shape. So now we'll go from the bottom and go line, line, and make a curved line so it makes a triangle. I'll come to the point. Not even, but I can live with it. For up here, I'm going to start at the dot and just make a curve. Filling these points in isn't like hard to do, but then you just remember, like, man, you gotta wash all this off. Is it perfect? No. But I'm gonna move on because this is getting ridiculous. Alright, the last thing is lips. Hopefully it's something that goes with this look. It's pale on the outside, dark on the inside. I think I can do that. I think. Okay, so it turns out I don't have like a super nude, so I'm gonna go in with like a dead nude. This is, it says Alien Cosmetics, but this is Unearthly Cosmetics. This is in Ava, and I'm gonna start by filling in my lips, and then go in with the Blend Bunny Cosmetics palette again, and then go into, I'm gonna go into, I think, the black and this gray, just to help blend it. And I'm just gonna grab, probably not that brush. This probably isn't the best brush, but I don't care if this one gets ruined. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Nevermore, and I'm gonna need to, I'll just pat that in the center. And pick up a little bit of Intuition. Just kind of blend that black. Then going back in with a little bit of that lipstick. And just clean up. And just go in with my finger and really blend that. Is it perfect? No, not at all. So now what I want to do is finish off this look. I want to do lashes, touch up my liner, and hopefully pull this all together. So I'm going to go in with my Tattoo pencil liner from KVD, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. Also go in the tight line. Not my favorite, but I think throwing on lashes should help. Alright, these ones are going to work. This is Hostile Honey from Likely Makeup. Very pretty thick lash. So just coat the inside of the lash line, lash band I should say. And what I like to do to ensure that my lashes stick is I wipe off a lot of the excess, and then I just make a line across where the lashes will sit. Now this does mean that it's harder to get off, like when you wash your face, but your lashes will stay very secure. You let that sit for a little bit while you put on your mascara. This is Anastasia Lash Brag, and then you just grab your lash and pop it on. Having the extra lash glue on your actual lid just helps it adhere better. Alright, so this is pretty much the finished look. I'm going to hop off on camera. I'm gonna put mascara on my bottom lash line, but I don't really need mascara down there because of how black it is. Gonna do that. I'm gonna do something with my hair, change my outfit, and I'll be back to wrap up this Halloween video. Alright, and here's my finished look. I actually really like how it came out with the accessories, the hair, and everything. I feel kind of cute as a clown. Is this the best? No. I went in with mascara splatters just to kind of cover up how bad the liner is, but overall, it's cute, right? It's cute. I did throw in a gloss, the Lawless Forget the Filler plumping gloss, just over top, and I really like how it looks. So, quick rundown. My two chain necklaces are from Lovecraft Crypt. This choker, I'm not sure, but I want to say it's from Shop Sun & Co, possibly. And then my earrings, little candy earrings, are from my friend Nora through her OK Clay Club subscription. But yeah, I feel cute. It took a while to get to this point, but I like it. It's so fun having TikTok choose your makeup through filters. I'm so happy that I was able to do at least one this season, and there are a few for Christmas time, so expect to see a few of those videos Christmas edition. Anyways, happy Halloween. I hope you had an amazing spooky season. I know we're getting into the last 2 months of the year and it is crazy, but we got this. We can have a last good 2 months of the year. If you want more content, you can follow me over on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere, and I do extra book content over on TikTok and Instagram under Devouring Bookishly, so make sure you check me out there. My next video will be my reading roundup for October. I read too many books. Spoiler alert. I read too many. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Stay safe, stay spooky, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!